The given problem is two forces of 100 newtons and 150 newtons are acting simultaneously at a point. Find the resultant of two forces if angle between them is 45 degrees, and also find the angle of the resultant. Here two forces are given and inclination between the two forces are also given, and we have to find out the resultant force. If only two forces are given and angle between two forces are given, then we can apply the law of parallelogram. In the case of law of parallelogram, if two forces, say PQ, acts at a point O, say O is the point, force P and Q force P and Q, say OA, OB. Angle between these two forces is 45 degrees. Say OA, B, C. P, Q, R. Angle between two forces alpha, and angle of the resultant with the force P is theta. Then here, how to find the resultant? For finding the resultant, the following formula is used. R is equal to root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha, and for finding the direction of the resultant, theta is equal to tan inverse of Q sin alpha by P plus Q cos alpha. Here given data is P is equal to 100 newtons and Q is equal to 150 newtons, and they are asking us to find resultant how much. This law of parallelogram is applied only for two concurrent forces. If more than two, this law is not applicable. What is the name of the law? P is equal to 100 newtons, Q is equal to 150 newtons, alpha is equal to 45 degrees. Then resultant force R is equal to under root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha, which is equal to 100 square plus 150 square plus 2PQ cos 45 degrees. $231.5 is equal to 231.76 newtons. Then direction of the resultant theta is equal to tan inverse of q sin alpha by p plus q cos alpha. Tan inverse of q 150 sin 45 by 100 plus 150 cos 45, which is equal to 27.2357. .24 degrees.